nihkil KP. My presentation is on web-based visualizer for C program that generates tokens AST, CFG, DFG, and CPG. Introduction. Slide what's it? Introduction. What is this project? This project is a tool that analyzes a C program and displays its internal structure in a different graphical form. Why is it needed? When we write a C program, that computer does not understand the code directly, so it first analyzes the code through several stages. This tool visualizes those stages and helps user understand how program are processed. And the main features are token generation, abstract syntax, control flow graph, data flow graph, and then code property graph, application, compiler design, automata theory, program analysis, AI code analysis, software engineering. Second, objectives. Analyze program structure, understand how C program is organized internally, and then perform tokenization. It breaks source code into meaningful units called tokens. And then next, generate AST, CFG, DFG, and CPG. Means it creates a graphical representation of a code. And then understand execution flow. It studies how control moves through different statements. And then understand data dependencies. Means track how variables are created, modified, and used. Then next, demonstrate compiler concept. Means apply concept form, lexicon analysis, parsing, control flow analysis, data flow analysis. Next, tokenization. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the first phase of a compiler. Means it converts source code into smaller units called tokens. Tokens int a is equal to 10. These are the tokens. Types of tokens: keywords, identifier, operators, constant, symbols. In keywords, in types of tokens, the first is keywords, int, float, if, while, and then identifiers, variable names, functions name. Operators means plus, minus, is equal to, divide, and so on. And then next, abstract syntax. What is AST? AST stands for abstract syntax tree. It is tree-like structure that represents the syntax of a program, and main its characteristics is root node represents operation and child node represents operands, and it ignore unnecessary symbols like semicolons. And its benefits is easier code analysis used by compilers, used in AI code analysis. And these applications are syntax checking, code optimization, then program transformation. Control flow graph. ಇದೆ slide, English slide. Control flow graph. What is CFG? CFG stands for control flow graph. It shows how execution flow from one statement to another, and its components is nodes and edges. Nodes are it represents program statements, and edges are it represent possible execution paths. Why CFG helps to identify loops, branches, conditions, and program paths, and its applications is compiler optimization, dead code detection, and testing and debugging. Next,
Oh, wow.
data
That
flow
is,
graph. What is data flow graph? Data flow graph. It shows how data moves between variable and operations, and its main purpose is variable definition, variable usage, and data independences. And its benefits is it helps in optimization, parallel execution, and dependency analysis. Next slide. Code property graph. Code property graph, it combines AST, CFG, and DFG. And main its advantages is compressive code analysis and security variability detection, AI based code understanding, program compression application. These applications is GitHub Copilot like a system, static code analyzer, and then security analyzer. Output. What does the output shows? The system generates tokens, AST visualization, CFG, DFG, CPG visualization, and the benefits of visualization is it means easy to understand and better debugging, improved learning, faster code analysis, and then next conclusion. So it develop a web-based visualizer for C program, generate tokens AST, CFG, DFG, and CPG. It demonstrated concept for compiler design and automata theory, improve understanding of program execution, and showed how modern AI tools analyze source code. Thank you.